Hello, my name is Rafhaelmallorga. I'm from Guarulhos, São Paulo, Brazil. I'm a software developer, backend to be more exactly. I'm currently working in a VoIP telecommunications company, and my stack is JavaScript, TypeScript, and that's it. So, to the final project for the CS50 course. I decided to create a Fin app that is basically a app to control my financials and help me with that. And here, as you can see, we have the login page with the form. We have the, oh sorry, I forgot to run the project. And here we have the register page to create a new account. And as you can see here, there is a validation that don't allow us to enter in the dashboard without a logged in account, and it's necessary to be a valid account. So here let's create a new account to show it has a farm validation, so we need to put the valid inputs for each input. Our database is clean, so there is any data in the pseudo database that I created. Now that we already have account created, let's log in the app. So that's our dashboard, our main page. Here we have the header, the logout button, our profile picture, the transaction section with the data here, month and year, our balance section, and the area for transactions, the history, the bank accounts, and savings. Here we can create a new input and a new transaction, that can be our salary. For example, it's income 5,000. It will appear always in this section. Let's create a outcome, for example, and 500, create. And if I still creating transactions here, it will never get out of this gray box, so it will appear a show box here. Oh, sorry, a scroll bar here, and all the data will keep inside this box. In the balance, it don't affect the balance yet, it's just to control the transactions. So a history of bills. It could be implemented in the future for a better control of our money. And here let's create a new bank account. It will call Citibank, for example, and I have 5,000 here. Let's create another bank, BBB, and 4,000. So it will grow in the horizontal, the scroll bar is here, and they can keep creating new bank accounts as necessary. The balance sections will compute the total here of all the bank accounts current money. A saving here, not travel go, for example, and I have saved 5,000, for example. I can create another go for a new car, and I have 10,000 for the new car, and then a new house, and 15,000 for the new house. Okay, so, and it's always be updated with as I created the new goals, and if I delete, it will update there, and the same thing for bank accounts. So there's a pop-up here, and I can check the inspection sections here, the application, local storage, and there is the validation to be logged in, so I check if the user is logged in here, and I use the user ID to control which user is using the application. If I have more than one account registered, I can remove here the transactions too. So to show our project here, the structure is basically this is our logo, the assets, and we have the components here, the dashboard components. All the components are created here using React with TypeScript. I don't validate everything of TypeScript, and here we have the farm components. Our database is basically a TypeScript file, and it's an object with the entities. Each entity has an array to keep the data, and here the types for each entity. We have pages here. Basically, it's 3 pages: the login page, register page, and dash page. That is our main page with all the other components here. We have the providers that are our globals. So account saves, each entity has a global to handle our database. It's the simplest way to do our app working only with front end. And here you have the route section that basically are our 3 routes: dashboard, login, and register. And the home, the dashboard is protect, so I just can enter there if I have a logged in valid account. And our app and main section here of React. And that's it. I hope that you like it, my project, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.